Hey, what's up, guys? Finally, we get some Indian food again. Mm-hmm. Hey, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of stuff coming up. I'm gonna work harder for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I see my channel is moving. That is something I appreciate. You know what I'm saying? I make a promise to myself to push that channel a little bit further. I want more people to see me. I want more people to get to know me. I want more people to see me moving. You know, that's the promise I make to myself. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys, so more stuff can come out. Yeah. I don't know why they bury a lot of chicken under the rice, though. Back home, we can see our chicken. Back home, we put our chicken in the top where people can see it. But the Indian is just buried down in the bottom of the rice. But I like it, bro. It's different. It's kind of hard to see. I thought my meal come without chicken. When I was digging and I saw the chicken, I'm like, oh my God. Wow. You bury a lot of chicken. Yeah, that was a nice meal, man. I really like that meal. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a lot of stuff to say about that meal. That was a very nice meal. I really like it, and I think I'm going back there. I'm gonna make sure I try everything in that menu. You know what I'm saying? That was a very nice meal. One thing I don't like about that meal, they put too much stuff, too much season going on. It's kind of hard for me to tell what kind of season they use. If they use Maggi, if they use ginger, if they use like green onion, it's kind of hard for me to say what kind of season it is because there were too much stuff going on, too much flavors. You know what I mean? That's the only problem I have with that meal. You know, that was a very nice meal, you know what I'm saying? I really like it. That was very nice, but that's the only problem I have with it. Because a lot of food, like when I eat them, I can see they use green onion, they use Maggi, they use ginger, you know, they use garlic. I can tell people what they use, bro. But that food has too much stuff going on. It's kind of hard for me to say what kind of season they use. But I love that shit, bro. I fuck with it all the way. Mm. Mm. Yeah, man, that was a big meal, bro. You know what I'm saying? That was a big meal. I would expect for them to give me something like in the side, like a little salad, like a something different, like a little piece of cake. They didn't give me anything, man. They give me a big plate of rice and some chicken berry in the bottom. It's kind of hard, man. Like they give me a lot of food though. I would expect to see more. That's good stuff, guys. Wow, they bury a lot of chicken. Mm. This shit is different, you know. I like it, but it has too much flavors. You cannot really tell what they put in that rice though. Too much stuff going on. One thing I like about the Haitian food, they don't have too much going on. You can say, okay, they add Maggi, they add a piece, a lot of stuff. That rice has too much stuff going on. It's kind of hard to tell what they put in there. But I still like it though. Mm-hmm. There's too much stuff. It's kind of hard to tell what they put in there, what kind of season. It's kind of hard. But I like it though. that? What is that, guys? I think that looks like it. I don't know what it is though. But I'm gonna eat it anyway. What is that? Oh. Yeah, they put too much stuff in that rice though. It's kind of hard to tell what kind of season you use. What they use in that rice though. Too much stuff going on, you see? But I like it, bro. It's different. They just put too much on it. That's another season. That's it. Yeah, man. But I like it, bro. It's different, but I like it. Yeah, it's different. It's another piece of chicken. I love the chicken though. I love the chicken. Wow. That's good chicken, y'all. Good chicken. See? Wow. Guys, thank you for watching, guys.